How to check Instagram notes history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check Instagram's notes history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Insta. Now let's head over to our notes section where we can see our note. So let's say that you've mistakenly deleted your note. Now if you don't remember what you posted, you might want to check the history for your Instagram notes. Now there is no straightforward way you can actually check your history. So what we do is we'll download our information from Instagram itself. So for that, head over to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you'll then need to head over to Account Center, that is your Meta's Account Center. So tap on it and then here scroll down till you find the Account Settings section. Under Account Settings section, you'll find your information and permissions. So tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see download your information. Tap on download your information, and from there tap on download or transfer information. So what we'll do here is we'll actually download all of our information. So here you can select some of your information or all of your information. So let's tap on all available information for easy option. So tap on all information. And after you do that, tap on download to device. Now if you want to transfer it to someplace else, you can tap on there as well. So I'll just download this to my device, and from date range we can just select the last week option, or you can even tap on the custom one to just change your start date to today's date. So let me change it to today's date. So yeah, let's do this, or let's just select yesterday and then tap on save. Doing this will just give me the information about yesterday to today. Now this will just show me my notes, and after doing this, now after depending on your information, how big the information is, the information will be available on the scheduled option. So you'll also get notified when the data is ready. So get back here and then download its copy. And that's how you check Instagram's note history, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.